TIG and STICK. 3 welding processes in one compact mobile machine. That's the new Multi 165 from UNIMIG. Being a multi-process machine is great. It gives you bucket loads of application, and at just 9.5 kilograms, it's highly mobile. You can take it just about anywhere. And it's truly plug and play, featuring a 10 amp plug, so you can safely use it in any domestic outlet. It'll do gas and gasless MIG welding, and when you're using it as a MIG, the Synergic controls take the guesswork out of the settings and the setup. Simply set your wire size and wire type, and then set the amperage to suit the piece you're welding, and it's that simple. You're ready to go. Speaking of wire type, it takes mild steel, flux core, aluminium, and stainless. The bare tool comes with stick and MIG torches, as well as a regulator for your gas. You can also get a combo kit from Synergic Tools for this welder that comes with wire, gloves, a helmet, and consumables as well. The new Multi 165 from UNIMIG is great for the professional welder that needs high mobility, but it's also great value for the home handyman or entry-level welder as well. So make sure you check it out in the UNIMIG aisle, your local Synergic Tools store, or go online, synergictools.com.au. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Synergic Tools TV.